Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add a single phone number or DID in the 3CX Management Console. From the 3CX dashboard, click on the SIP Trunks tab. Next, you want to edit the SIP trunk you wish to add a DID number to. You can do this by either checking the box next to the SIP trunk you wish to modify and clicking on Edit, or by clicking on it directly. Click on the DIDs tab, then click on the Add Single DID button. You can now enter the DID number in the blank space. Click on OK when you're finished. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a single DID in 3CX. Check back for more videos on 3CX, as well as other helpful guides.